Hi there! In this video tutorial we are going to explain how to remove vegetation and create a demo model from your point cloud. This will help you to sensibly speed up your data process. Reconstructor 4.2 release has the ability to extract the depth of any points in 2D orthophotos and X-ray orthophotos individually and globally. The first step is to generate an X-ray orthophoto in CAD Output toolbox. In the recipe window, click on Create New to create a new orthophoto and then name it. With the Quick Selection tool, you can easily select your survey area. The software provides 3 other options to create or select your survey area from point list, ortho camera and current view depending on your need. After selecting the survey area, the software automatically generates an ortho camera in 3D view. Then, go to Dimension and Correction to edit the dimension and the position of the ortho camera in order to fit the area that you desire. You can click on Preview button to check how your survey area fits to the ortho camera. To generate the X-ray orthophoto, click on Snap. Once the process is done, click on Open in Viewer. With the Depth tool, from this 2D view, you can pick and see the depth of any single point in the viewer, in order to check the different elevation of the points. With the Depth Grid tool, you can define the spacing of your grid. In this video tutorial we have selected 2 meters, so you will get points every 2 meters in both horizontal and vertical direction. Which point, respect its altitude, is going to be picked in the 2D projected image. For example, if you want to keep only the ground information to create a demo model, the option lowest point in sampling method is very useful, as it ignores points respect their altitude, removing the undesired vegetation. In result, the orthophoto and the extracted results are listed. You have depth of single points and depth grid having all points in the grid. From the depth grid, you can export all the extracted points into point list or to point cloud, which can be both used to create a mesh model. The Depth Grid Point Cloud can be easily used to generate a mesh by right-click, then meshing, and select Multi-Resolution Mesh to create a mesh from this simplified point cloud.